The all new 2020, actually that's a lie, it's not even all new. This is the Taubik Escape 2024, and there are a couple of changes to it. So visually it's the seat that has changed and the speedo has changed, but it's now UL 2849 certified, and so that's a new certification for electric bicycles for North America, which means that it has an intelligent BMS system, which is a battery monitoring system. So that means that you have a 100% safe battery. It won't overcharge, it won't go dead, and it gives you a lot of information in between. Also, they always came with LG batteries, LG or Samsung. That's a beautiful thing about Taubik. Let me just start off by saying that Taubik is taking over the market because of the price point of their bikes and the components that you get, and they're very thoughtful bikes. They're very thoughtfully designed. And Taubik, just a side note, they also bring their bikes in and they test them before they do their orders, and that's actually quite unique because most companies will just order and then that's it. So they bring them in, test them, make some tweaks, and then they put them into production. Anyways, so what makes this is now $22.99. This is your folding fat tire, so your 4x20 fat tire, and it weighs about 65 pounds. And it folds absolutely beautifully. I'm going to show you that actually. So you push these in to go down your pedals, put them to that section there, push this forward, goes up. This is the first time opening. Look how nicely that folds. And then the same thing with the handlebars. I would take off the seat to get the handlebars to fold even better. I'll do a whole video. Actually, we have a video on how these fold. So let's get back to the bike itself. So hydraulic disc brakes, suspension, integrated front and rear lights. I'll show you how you turn it on. Little button here. Press for 3 seconds, turns on. Hold on. 1, 2, 3. There we go. See, it's not broken. You just have to wait 3 seconds. Okay, bigger screen, easier to see your speed and your assist level. Okay, so then to turn on your rear lights, you're going to press and hold the up button, and then your screen's going to indicate that you have your lights on. So integrated rear, also brake lights. That is really nice, really safe. Extra bright lumens, so extra bright. Press it and hold that to turn that off. So you've got hydraulic disc brakes, fenders, rack, like everything you would want in an e-bike. You've got the trigger shift. This is an upgrade, so it's not the push up and then tap down. It's a nice trigger shift system. That's an upgrade. Your handlebars can lift and go down, and also they have a quick release here. Actually, let me squeeze this forward. Quick release here, so you can adjust this exactly where you prefer it. Put it back, ready to go. I'll lock that back as well. They also upgraded, oh, they put this really nice rubber on here to protect your bike. The paint is beautiful. The seams, the welding seams are beautiful. Like, it's just a spectacular bike. You cannot go wrong with this. And look at the seat. Extra cushion. Let me put the seat all the way down. No, that's all the way down. So if you're somebody who likes to have your feet flat, it's not recommended when you're pedaling because your legs don't extend well. So if I was going to ride this bike, I would bring my seat way up. So I'm going to show you guys that. I'm going to ride this bike. Oh, I got to bring down the stairs. That's no problem. Okay, so we're already on level 1. So you can use the throttle here. 48 volt, it's peppy, and it's just a nice folding bike all around. Honestly, they come in, I think, 5 different colors. We'll put that in the description. Any questions, let us know. Thanks for watching.